trying to see if I can. Woo! Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh. I hope this thing is angled decent. It has been a fat minute, man, since I rode. Well, not since I rode, since I made a video, kind of. I made the best of 2021 video, and that was basically like a big vlog that I ended up not using any of the vlog from. Just used the intro and then just like basically screen recorded stuff, the clips from YouTube that I found and wanted to use. And yeah, man, so it's been a while, but we're out here. We have Bryson back. Oh my gosh, it's been so long since Bryson's been here. His that one video that I had where it's called like I broke his bike and then I wheelied it and that thing snapped, the like chain adjustment plate in the back, that had to get fixed. And then I guess by the time it was fixed, his battery died, so then he needed a new battery, and then I guess his fuel pump went out, so it just took like so long, and like by the time like something was done, there was another problem preventing him from coming out. So but he's finally out. And Gmar right up here, dude, his wheelies have been getting so good, it's insane. I got to ride Kai's MT-09. I wish I actually would have recorded that, I think, but I think my GoPro battery was dead. I got to ride a MT-09 again, and now that I know how to dip compared to like last time I rode one, it was actually pretty fun. I would honestly get one if I could find one for a good price and get rid of this thing. I'm pretty tired of this bike, man. It's the bent forks really is the biggest turn off for this bike. But then just aside from that, like, it's a fun bike, but it's kind of too easy, and I kind of want a little bit more of a challenge. Because, you know, like, because the reason that being too easy has got boring. Oh my gosh, Bryson still got it. I thought for sure he'd be a lot more rusty with the wheelies after all this time. But no, the reason it's kind of gotten boring is because I don't really do combos and stuff like that. I wouldn't have a problem if I was using the handbrake, but I'm not, because the forks are bent and it just gives me such a rough start to every wheelie, and it's way too sketchy and I don't like it. So I don't know, man. FC09 just seems like it'd be pretty fun, or an R7. That wouldn't be a whole lot different than this, but that would just honestly be pretty cool. So I don't know. Quick shifter brake. Oh yeah, I guess I can scrape on command now. That's also something. I've been scraping a lot. I don't know how many of you follow my Instagram. If you follow it, you know that I've been scraping a lot. If you don't follow it, maybe you don't know. It seems like at the high speeds, the FC09 is kind of hard to wheelie. But in the low speeds, Gmar's pretty good. Oh snap, look how high that is, dude. I gotta get closer. This headlight, last time I was at the lot, it went out because one of the wires getting disconnected, because whoever set it up, I guess, didn't really make it super great. And so I've got a light bar from the 636 on it from back whenever I did that. It's definitely brighter. I have a dip can basically holding it up because it was angled too low for how I set it up. And I found a dip can in my garage, so I just threw that on there. I was like, oh, it's probably enough. I actually still haven't tested it, so hopefully, because I'm sure it's gonna get dark while we're riding around tonight. Hopefully it's decently angled. Dang, whole bunch of traffic. Feel bad for the S1K, boy. Close, man. The left curves are hard, bruh. See, if I wanted to get through left curves, I need my handbrake again, unfortunately. I'm not even sure where he's... Oh, right there. Gmar has such an eye for cops, bro. Hell, he sees them like when I can't even find them. Like, he sees them like 3 seconds before I can even find them. It's crazy. I don't give a fuck about it. Oh, it's a good thing it went down when it did. Your boy finna bust out into a circle wheelie. I feel like I'm doing like mini swerves. Like doing like miniature swerves when it's like messing up. But I can fix it. I wish I was better at one-handers. Those are so cool. I'd like to do more one-handers. Oh, speaking of nothing, SBK is coming up. A lot of people posted on Instagram lately. I'll probably screenshot it and post it on my Instagram also. But yeah, I plan to be there, I guess. Man, this is a long red light. Oh, Gmar ended up at the second lane. I wonder if he was going too fast. I kind of forgot that this thing curves so hard, but I kind of remembered, but I kind of forgot. I was just like, I don't know, that's a steep ass hill. I don't really want to risk it, you know. I'm blinded! Oh, okay, I can see again. Oh, it's so fun being able to scrape on the street, man. It is so fun. Oh, man, you didn't see, man. Okay, we're going over back to you, man. It's been like actually kind of a long time since I've done like a regular ride and not just gone to the lot. This is really fun though. What's happening? I don't know what she's honking about. with somebody's bike. She's pulling over now. Is something wrong with my bike? What? Is something wrong with my bike?
No, what the fuck is you saying?
I don't know.
You're like flipping us off. You're like this.
Huh? She following us? I don't know what's up with that.
Like, we're not even being obnoxious.
Yeah. I don't know what her deal is. She's like, you can't be here. You're riding. Oh, look at that BMW. That thing's sick. Yeah, she was stopped and those cops were walking up to her. She's probably trying to tell them something about us. Oh, these people, something. I don't know what we did though. Old lady gets upset for me driving 10 miles an hour. Yeah, still not really sure what that's all about. I mean, I can't think of any reason why she would be so mad. Brendan, sometimes when something happens, he'll go, you know, and this is why you don't fuck with the car and stuff like that. And that's kind of like what I would say the same about what just happened. Like there was no point in stopping to talk or you know, like being rude back or whatever, especially because I don't even know what she was upset about. But that's just one of those things where it's like when somebody's mad, you just like ignore them. Nobody cares. Sheesh. Oh, stop sign. Your boy's so slow. Oh! I totally forgot to mention this purple wrap. Yeah, I mean, there's not much to it. I wrapped it. I did it myself, and it's purple. And yep, okay, there you go. It's mentioned. Okay, neutral. Okay, good. My horn doesn't even work. It doesn't work. I just gotta rev it. I was like, just scream. Hey, wait, pizza spirits, what the hell? Oh, it is. It's still mellow mushroom. Okay, I was about to say, bro, they changed the name for what? Yo, yo, I like it, man. I'm not sure what it is though. Please. Oh, Bryson. Oh, Bryson. He's probably not gonna do anything. You know me, I like scraping. Oh yeah. Was that like 3 times today? So many. I don't think anybody's in there, but still lots of cops today. Oh, another one. Oh, another one. Well, 4 in one block. Wonder if something happened earlier.